How to improve Wi-Fi speed in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you improve your Wi-Fi speed in your Windows 11. So let's get started. First, as you have to just try to restart your router and PC. Sometimes a simple restart fixes the network lag. After that, you'll have to also forget and reconnect to your Wi-Fi. For that, simply click on Wi-Fi icon at the bottom right corner. From here, choose for the option Wi-Fi. Now from here, select your Wi-Fi and right click on that. From here, click on forget and reconnect to your Wi-Fi. After that, make sure you are connecting to the 5 GHz Wi-Fi instead of 2.4 GHz. And also, you'll have to disable the background app. For that, you'll have to open Task Manager. For that, as usual, you can search in the source field or use the shortcut key like Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC. Now from the Task Manager, close the app that uses internet like Cloud Sync, update or streaming app. After that, you can also try to update your Wi-Fi drivers. For that, simply have to open Device Manager. Now from the Device Manager, look for the option Wi-Fi driver or network adapter. From here, you can as usual check for any latest driver update. After that, your problem should be fixed. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.